Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to the largest waterfall in Europe, then dining at the best Ethiopian restaurant in Bern. So come, Guzo with me. How gorgeous this place is. We booked a 30-minute boat tour that took us to the central rock for about 20 Swiss franc, which wasn't too bad. We had to climb a lot of steps to get to the top of the rock, but it was so worth it. It has the most amazing views. After we got off the boat, I grabbed some gelato to cool down and enjoy this beautiful view. We're sharing water with the bee today. So today we had an amazing day, very productive. We got up early and went to the waterfall. It was really nice and refreshing. After that, we came back and took a little nap and rest because I'm getting old, so I need my naps. Now we're heading to an Ethiopian restaurant for dinner. So excited because I can't go more than a few weeks without my Ethiopian food. The restaurant we went to is called Injera. It was really beautiful. It was traditional and modern at the same time. The food was so good and the service was amazing. We really enjoyed our time. If you're ever in Bern, I highly recommend that you check out this restaurant. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.